Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Metabo Hpt 36 volts against the Milwaukee Fuel Gen 3. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply from by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So basically we got the Metabo Triple Hammer IP56 rated Metabo Hpt. You got 36 volts, 18 volts, multi-volt. We're always going to be running it on power mode, which is the third setting there. I don't know if you guys could see it. We do have 36 volts cordless impact driver, WH36DV. So Metabo HPT 2021-2. I don't know if that's revision number 2. The 3 amp hour battery. This is a high output battery. This is one of the better batteries that they have. This is an M18. This is an 18 volt tool. Red lithium. You got model number 2853-20. This is the fuel brushless Milwaukee. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're basically going to be starting with some simple tests, some simple drilling, and then we're going to move on to the harder stuff. If you want to see any of these two tools against other tools, let me know down in the comment section. Also, let me know what you guys think about this test. Would you buy any of these tools? Would you keep any of these tools if you already have one? Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Let's start with some simple drilling. Alright, so since let me just show you we got a full battery there. So a full battery on this. This is a 2.5 amp hour battery on a 36 volts. Times 2 if you're running it on 18 volts. So this is a multi-volt triple hammer. So this is right there, 36 volt tool. This is a 36 volt tool. It is not any quick insert collet, so you do have to. Alright, let's do the Milwaukee. Speed 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, you got a 1-inch spade bit. So this is a 1-inch spade bit. I'm going to do a hole right here. Quick insert collet. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, you got a bigger hole here. So this is a 1.5 spade bit. So big spade bit here. I'm gonna do a hole right here. Alright, we're not gonna make it easy on this impact driver. I'm gonna do it right here on the notch, right above. Let's see if it struggles. We'll try it right here in the middle of these. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. No problem, guys. Couple to the 3-inch screws. We're gonna use a Torx bit. Gonna do one right here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Another one right here. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. A 1/2 inch by 4-inch lag. We're going to be using a 3/4 inch impact socket. We're going to see if the tools can do this. Alright, let's start with the Metabo HPT. One, two, three, go. All the way in, a little bit more. Alright, that's it, guys. Yeah. Let's take this off. Alright, a quick temperature test on both of these. This one does have a couple minutes already, so 103 to start with this one. 88, 89, 94, 98, 92, 89, 103, 114, 118, 121, 25. So I gotta say this is acceptable. It is hot. It's 122. This is acceptable. It's not that hot. I mean, it's a lot of. It is hot, but it's not that that much. You got 94, 92, 96, 100, 105, 103, 89, 90. All right. So really like. This one's proven itself over the years. This is fairly new to me. Still, it's a very smooth tool. I really like the features. It does have a light on, light off, or you can just leave it on all the time. So you could just leave it on with the trigger. I do not like this, the collet. I really prefer a quick insert collet. That's it. I really like it. Pretty much is a nice tool. It's very smooth, but you know, this one's really nice. This one's actually been the king for impact drivers for a while, especially with this battery. It's unbeatable basically. You got a quick insert collet, 3-speed, and then you got a screw mode there. Same thing with this one. You do have a screw mode there. It's that one. So we'll just leave it on speed 3. Yeah, like I said, it's really nice. The thing that this one has is it IP56 rated, so I guess you can maybe work in the rain, in the elements. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way to run the platform, my subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.